Feeling pretty good. It's a big day. Very excited. No nerves yet, thank God, but I'm sure they'll be here soon. So I get to spend the rest of my life with my best friend. I love her to death, and now we get to be together all the time.
I'm feeling very nervous and excited, and I'm so ready to see him and be married to him and spend my life with him. We've known each other so long, and I can't believe that the day is finally here. I'm just ready for everything to get going.
Cory, I want you to know that I love you so much. I knew the moment I met you, you were going to be mine forever. I love the way you always know how to make me laugh, and the way you always make me feel so loved. Our big day is finally here, and I couldn't be more excited to spend my life with you. As we travel through life together, I promise to put you ahead of all others, through the good times and the bad, and even through NC State football season. A love like ours is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. You are my forever best friend. I love you to the moon and back, and so much more. See you at 4. Love your soon-to-be wife, Carly.
He always knows how to brighten up my day, always. He always knows how to make me laugh, and he always shows me the most love ever. That's the most that I've ever known from a guy. You know, I just love everything about him. Finally, wow, finally the day has come. Thinking back now, it's unreal at how fast this day has come. I hope you're taking in every moment of our special day, because I know I sure am. I'll start by saying that you are my world. Since you've came into my life, you have brought so much light, joy, and love and laughter, along with memories that will last a lifetime. In this short time, you have made me strive to be the best I can be for both of us. And although I may fail at times, I will always try to do the best I can. Get the tears out of your eyes and do another shot I'm reaching up for. Love, Cory.
By the clasping of hands, by the reciting of vows, by the exchanging of rings, you have shown your love and devotion to each other. I therefore pronounce that you are husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Cory, you may kiss your bride.
I love how you both laugh together, cry together, support each other, and of course shotgun beers together. Anyone can be compassionate, but it takes a real pair of lovers to be silly. When Carly and Cory are together, they let their guards down. I know that this love will last a lifetime and will only grow stronger with the years to come. I wish you both many years of laughter, love, and hopefully a few babies here and there. Here's to Carly and Cory.
She loves so hard and so deep. She's home. Her smile, she can brighten a room with her smile. Her laughter is infectious, and there's never a dull moment with her. You know, we can be serious, but a lot of times we're just goofing off. And like I said, she's my best friend, so that's what I love the most about her.
Oh, I promise.